Tango routine, progressive link, natural promenade, turn closed, promenade, open reverse turn with side cross ending, steps 3 to 8 of Chasse with Chasse, Whisk, step forward to promenade position, double closed, promenade. And we start with progressive link, natural promenade turn and closed promenade. Man's steps. Man starts with left foot forward in CBMP, to side in promenade position, then to side in promenade, forward across in promenade, then to side around lady's line of movement, turn, then step forward and tap to side in promenade position, to side in promenade, forward across in promenade, then to side and close. Lady steps. Lady starts with right foot, back in CBMP, turn to side in promenade position, then to side in promenade, then forward across in promenade, then forward between man's feet, then turn, step to side and tap to side in promenade position, then step to side in promenade, forward across in promenade, to side, turning square to partner and close. And now let's look at these steps with teaching count. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow and slow, quick, quick, slow. And again with teaching count from opposite direction. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow and slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at open reverse turn to side cross and step 3 of Chasse. Man starts with left foot forward to side, back in CBMP, then back to side and cross behind, at same time sway to left. And last step to side. Let's look again, and this time focus on ladies steps. Lady starts with right foot back to side, forward outside partner, then step forward to side, now cross in front at same time, turning head to right and sway to right. And last step to side. We included this last step here because of phrasing. Quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. And again. And quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at steps 4 to 8 of Chasse with Chasse, Whisk, step forward to promenade position and double closed promenade. So we continue Chasse. Man goes with right foot outside partner, back in CBMP, side, close, side. Now step back in fall away position, at same time turning lady, step forward, tap to side in promenade, to side in promenade, forward across in promenade, then to side and turning lady square, then turning lady again to promenade and stepping with right foot forward across in promenade, then to side, turning lady square and close. Let's look again. And this time focus on ladies steps. Lady starts with right foot, back in CBMP, then forward outside partner, to side, close, to side. Now turn to fall away position and step back in fall away, step forward in promenade, tap, to side in promenade, forward in promenade, to side and turn square to man, Now again turn to right to promenade position and step at the same time forward in promenade, then to side turning square and close. With teaching count, quick, quick, quick and quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. And once again with teaching count from opposite direction. And quick, quick, quick and quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. And now let's look at whole routine in slow motion with teaching count. Quick, quick, slow. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. And slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick and quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. And slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick and quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and learn more personally from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.